Am I the only one that didn't know how these titans made their mark? Let's uncover their secrets together. Discover how Steve Jobs harnessed the power of vision and innovation to revolutionize technology, leading Apple, Next, and Pixar to greatness. Learn from Elon Musk's fearless approach to risk and his big-thinking ventures like PayPal, SpaceX, Tesla, and Neuralink. Get inspired by Jeff Bezos' relentless customer obsession and long-term thinking that turned Amazon into an e-commerce titan. Dive into Jack Ma's journey of resilience and leadership that transformed Alibaba from a small startup to a global powerhouse. Explore Warren Buffett's disciplined value investing that made him one of the world's most successful investors. Richard Branson's boldness and branding genius built the Virgin Group into a diverse empire. Understand Oprah Winfrey's authenticity and her unparalleled connection with audiences, making her a media mogul. Bill Gates' strategic thinking propelled Microsoft to the top, and his philanthropic efforts are changing the world. See how Sarah Blakely disrupted the fashion industry with Spanx, starting from scratch and building a global brand. And finally, Howard Schultz's vision turned Starbucks from a single coffee shop into a global phenomenon. Ready to transform your business approach? Grab your copy of Lessons from the Titans 10 Essential Business Strategies from Iconic Entrepreneurs Today.